Hey there, is your remote not working on Windows 10? Worry not. Today, we're diving into the steps on how to fix remote not working on Windows 10 so you can get back to controlling your device effortlessly. A non-functioning remote can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to manage media, presentations, or any other task. In this guide, we'll explore straightforward solutions to get your remote back up and running. Step 1. Check the remote's batteries. The first step in diagnosing a remote not working on Windows 10 is to ensure that the batteries are not dead. Replace the batteries with new ones and make sure they are properly inserted. Test the remote again to see if this resolves the issue. Often, a simple battery change can solve the problem. Step 2. Confirm remote compatibility. Before proceeding with more technical solutions, it's essential to verify that your remote is compatible with Windows 10. Check the remote's manual or manufacturer's website to ensure it supports your operating system. If the remote is incompatible, unfortunately, it won't function correctly without specific drivers or updates. Step 3. Update or reinstall drivers. If the remote is compatible but still not working, the next step is to update or reinstall its drivers. Here's how. Open the Device Manager on your Windows 10 device by pressing the Windows key plus X and selecting Device Manager. Locate your remote under the Human Interface Devices or Universal Serial Bus Controller section. Right-click on the remote, choose Update Driver, and follow the on-screen instructions. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling the driver and then scanning for hardware changes to reinstall it. Step 4. Check for Windows updates. Sometimes a remote not working on Windows 10 could be due to outdated system software. Ensure your Windows 10 is up to date with the latest patches and enhancements. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click on Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer to see if this fixes the issue. Step 5. Test remote on another device. To determine if the issue is with the remote or the Windows 10 system, try using the remote with another device. If it works there, the problem might lie within the original Windows 10 setup. Conversely, if the remote still fails to work, it may be defective, requiring replacement or repair. Step 6. Use the Windows Troubleshooter. Windows 10 offers a built-in tool to diagnose and fix common issues, including those with peripherals like remotes. Access the troubleshooter by navigating to Settings, then Update and Security and selecting Troubleshoot. Follow the prompts to diagnose and potentially resolve the remote issue. Step 7. Contact support. If all else fails, reaching out to the remote manufacturer's customer support is a viable option. They can provide specific advice for your particular remote model and, if necessary, guide you through more advanced troubleshooting steps. There you have it. Steps on how to fix remote not working on Windows 10. From checking batteries to updating drivers and exploring the Windows troubleshooter, these solutions should have you back in control in no time. Remember to ensure compatibility and keep your system updated to avoid future issues. If you're still facing problems, professional support is always a helpful resource. Good luck and hope your remote is back to seamlessly managing your Windows 10 soon.